Data privacy is the right to control how your data is collected, used, and shared. In the age of AI, data privacy becomes more crucial as AI systems rely on massive amounts of data to learn and perform tasks. However, data privacy also faces more challenges as AI systems pose new risks and threats to your data security and autonomy. Let's explore why data privacy matters more than ever in the age of AI and how you can protect your data privacy rights. Fueling AI algorithms. AI systems thrive on data, particularly large and diverse datasets. Whether it's training machine learning models or refining algorithms through continuous learning, data serves as the lifeblood of AI. However, the very data that empowers AI often comprises sensitive information about individuals, from personal details to behavioral patterns. Ensuring data privacy is crucial to preventing unauthorized access and misuse of this sensitive information. Preserving individual autonomy. The collection and analysis of personal data by AI systems raise concerns about individual autonomy. As algorithms make decisions based on user data, there is a risk of creating digital profiles that influence users' choices and preferences. Respecting data privacy is essential to preserving individuals' autonomy, ensuring that their decisions are not manipulated or predetermined by AI systems. Mitigating discrimination and bias. The AI system's quality is mostly dependent on the data they are trained on. If the training data is biased, the AI algorithms can perpetuate and even amplify existing biases. This raises ethical concerns, as biased algorithms can lead to discriminatory outcomes, affecting marginalized groups disproportionately. Protecting data privacy is a key step in mitigating bias, as it involves scrutinizing and cleansing datasets to prevent discriminatory patterns from influencing AI decision-making. Building trust in AI systems. For AI technology to be widely used, trust is essential. Individuals are more likely to embrace AI applications if they trust that their data will be handled responsibly and ethically. Establishing robust data privacy measures is essential for building and maintaining this trust. Transparency in data handling practices, clear consent mechanisms, and stringent security measures contribute to fostering confidence in AI systems. Complying with regulatory standards. Governments and regulatory bodies around the world are recognizing the need to protect data privacy in the age of AI. Initiatives like the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, in Europe and similar regulations in other regions emphasize the importance of user consent, data transparency, and the right to be forgotten. Adhering to these regulatory standards not only mitigates legal risks, but also demonstrates a commitment to ethical data practices. Preventing security threats. The vast amounts of data processed and stored by AI SYSTEMSMA for cybercriminals. A breach of data privacy not only compromises individuals' personal information, but can also lead to identity theft, financial fraud, and other malicious activities. Implementing robust security measures, including encryption and secure data storage, is essential to prevent data breaches and protect individuals from potential harm. Encouraging ethical AI development. Ethical considerations in AI development extend beyond the technical aspects of algorithms. The ethical use of AI requires a commitment to respecting individuals' privacy rights. By prioritizing data privacy, developers and organizations contribute to the establishment of ethical norms in the AI community, fostering a culture of responsible innovation. Empowering individuals with control. Data privacy empowers individuals by granting them control over their personal data. Providing users with the ability to access, modify, or delete their data ensures that they have a say in how their information is used. This not only aligns with ethical principles, but also enhances user confidence and engagement with AI applications. Conclusion. As AI continues to advance and permeate various aspects of our lives, prioritizing data privacy is not just a matter of compliance, but a fundamental ethical imperative. The responsible development and deployment of AI demand a commitment to safeguarding the sensitive information that fuels these systems. By placing data privacy at the forefront of AI initiatives, we can build a future where technological progress coexists harmoniously with individual rights, autonomy, and trust. Prioritizing data privacy in the era of artificial intelligence is not just the right thing to do, but also a duty to make sure that the advantages of AI are realized without sacrificing the core values that support a fair and just society.